is Tony Alonso, the 2014 Visual Communications Industry Group President. And this month, I want to focus on a conference that is near and dear to my heart, but I don't want all of you to exclude it. It is the American Telemedicine Association Conference, and it is being held May 17th through the 20th at the Baltimore Convention Center in Maryland. This is an opportunity for those of us who are in the healthcare industry to see what is new and what is relevant within our industry. What is going to take healthcare in our own organizations to the next level. But I don't want you to think of this as solely a healthcare conference. Think of it as a conference where you can find new and innovative things that are happening in the industry that perhaps you can implement in your organization. What do I mean by that? It really is fairly simple. So some of the things we're looking at happens to be temperature monitoring. Why do you say? Well, we store blood and we store medicine, and many of those have to be at a certain temperature. Should it go too high or too low of that preferred temperature, we have to go ahead and dispose of all of it. So instead, we're implementing where there will be an alert. Should that refrigerator start to lose the temperature that we need, we will be alerted and be able to go and fix it. Where else can you use things like this? The cafeteria refrigerators of our schools. There are the foods for all of our children, for breakfasts and for their lunches. Why wouldn't we need to know that the power didn't go out overnight and now that food is spoiled? Another thing we're doing is something called location services. So it's real-time location. I want to know right now where I can find a wheelchair. That's not only just needed in the healthcare industry, but if you're in manufacturing. What if you need a specific tool? Where is it? How quickly can I get it? You could be, again, in a school. And where is that projector or where is that laptop? So again, real-time location services is something that we can use throughout various industries. We will be, Visual Communications Industry Group, at the ATA conference. We will have a booth there. We welcome all of you to stop by and see what we're doing. Remember, our focus this year is on interoperability. Now, conferencing is for everyone. It's from that 8-year-old child who gets their first mini iPad to that 80-year-old grandmother or grandfather who is Skyping with their grandchildren. How is it that we support everyone? How is it that we ensure the standards are there? And more importantly, how is it that we ensure that security is there for all of us? Not just those of us who work for the government, work in healthcare, or even work in the financial institutions, but for those of us who are consumers using this intelligence. So stay with us, watch us very often at our website as we continue to tackle the various challenges that we have in our industry.